We had a little bit of cold come through, so it's like 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon right now, but it's like 30-something degrees out, so it's those end of March little cold snaps that we get here in Kansas. Time to start sealing up things on the bike. Last time we talked, I put the stator inside of the stator cover. I've got the stator gasket. Looks like there is... Yep. Goes onto that dowel rod there, and then there's a dowel up there. And then without pinching or losing the gasket. And this is the part I was talking about before. This wire has to go up underneath and pop out here. But when there's no gas tank in the way, I can just pull it through. Ooh, that's satisfying. I think I'm pretty much at a point where I can put the gas tank back on, as well as a velocity stack and a new K&N air filter. The old air filter served me well, but it was 10 years old. They say to replace them after 10 years. Every couple of months I would just clean it, re-oil it, reuse it, but it's time for a brand new one. They come pre-oiled from K&N, and they even gave me some silicone material to kind of help to seal around the outside lip. You'll see the old one has some of that goo from around the outside of the lip. We'll be doing the same with this one. Overall, I'm excited. We're continuing to make progress on the bike. We'll continue to get it sealed up, and then we'll see where the rest of this week takes us.